We step into the future every day again and again, into a future which is increasingly driven by electricity. Its power boosts our creative inspiration, fuels our productivity, moves us forward, energizes the joy of children and adults. On our journey to a carbon-free world, we are connected to electricity even more. We use it to shorten distances, share experiences, and day by day enjoy the benefits of an electric grid tailored to our preferences and needs. The employees of ETI Group are also steadily creating a safe and secure future. Through our product innovations and advanced technologies, we co-create global trends and invent sustainable solutions for the benefit of future generations. With more than 70 years of experience and expertise, we answer the call to contribute with professionalism and reliability to the development of new sources of electricity, while ensuring flexibility, responsiveness, and the fulfillment of individual needs in all our services. So, every day our advanced technologies enable people around the world to enjoy all the beauty, potential, benefits, and advantages of electricity. But our vision of a more comfortable future starts at home. It includes all those small users for whom a safe and reliable electric grid brings great experiences. Experiences that are part of something bigger, part of those moments that mean most in life, moments that build the future. Each of us for each of you. Switch to a safe future. ETI.